Hello dear friends, in this video I will teach you how to create hypnotic spiral effect in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button. Now let's start. First open the Illustrator and take a new file. Here I am taking a 500 by 500 pixels. The color mode is RGB. And the raster effect is 300 for example. Now go to Line tool and right click on it. And choose Polar Grid tool. Then left click on Canvas, it will open a dialog box. Type 0 in the radial dividers. And in concentric dividers here I am choosing 150 for example, but you can choose according to your choice or requirements. Then click OK. Now resize the spiral according to your canvas size. Don't forget to hold the Shift key while resizing. Perfect. Now if you zoom in you will see an illusion, and this is the main ingredient of hypnotic illusion effect. Now select this spiral and go to File. And click on Export. And export this spiral as PNG file. Type any name and click on Export. I have already exported, so let's jump into Photoshop. First of all, press the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. I am going to use this photo which I downloaded from unsplash.com, but you can also use your own photos. And this spiral which we created in Illustrator in first session. So first I am going to take a new document because this is a very large file. Here I am selecting 1080 by 1350 pixels. And 300 resolution. Now I will first unlock this layer and drag this photo into new document. Then I will convert this into a smart object. Always use this method before resizing any object in Photoshop. Then press Ctrl T, to enable the transform. Okay, I am happy with this size and position. Now I will rasterize it again for cropping. First I will select all, you can also use its shortcut key. Then go to Image and choose Crop. Then deselect to remove the selection. As you can see, we have cropped the image. Now here we need to desaturate the image. You can use black and white color adjustment layer. And can adjust and modify your image. You can use Ctrl-Shift-U, or you can also use Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. This is totally up to your own choice. And you can also adjust the lightness. Now select the top layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to take a screenshot of all layers. Then drag the spiral here. Move the spiral layer on top of all layers. Then convert into Smart Object before you resize. And move the center circle of the spiral, on the center of the eyeball. You can place on any eye left or right, it's totally up to your image. Just like this, it's perfect. Now if you or anybody will zoom in or zoom out, or scroll up or scroll down, it will create an illusion. And now you can also resize the spiral, and can experience the more best result of this illusion. Now you can save your final image as PNG or JPEG. So guys, I hope you will like this technique. Please must press the like button and let me know that you liked, and if you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to watch my more upcoming useful tutorials. See you in next video.